Hello, what's up you guys, this is Mohammad Sajid Hassan, you're watching Filmcoder. In this video I'm going to talking with about how you can recover your hacked or compromised Facebook account. Though your hacker has just changed your email address, username and the password. Nowadays hacking a Facebook account is really very easier for the hackers because of some Facebook functionalities, but here you have some ways so that you can recover it. And nowadays it's also easier to secure your Facebook account if you follow some rules and steps. So in this video I'm going to talking with about what those steps and how you can recover your compromised or hacked Facebook account quickly, easily. So let's get jump it on this video. Before starting on this video, there is a request guys, if you're not still now the subscriber of my channel, I request you please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Let's get started. So first of all, here what you have to do, that is you have to take your recognized phone, that is by which device you at least make a login to your that Facebook account. If you are using a desktop or laptop, that time you have to use that at least that browser by which you have already did it. So that's why, otherwise it's not working well. So in this case, first of all you have to go to the Google Chrome, and as I'm already using this phone to log in my Facebook account, so I can use it here. So here from I can search Facebook Help Center, and once I get it, here from I will get two options in the top, Help Center and the Recover Your Facebook. So from here we can go to in this Recover Facebook, and from here we can go to on this link facebook.com/login/identify. I will also give you that link in the description so that you can go to on this link quickly. So here from, once you get it on this link, you can see enter your mobile number by which mobile number you have used in your Facebook account. If you have on anything like this, you can use it and you can find out or search your mobile number. You have already this one. If you see that or if you feel that your hacker has just changed your mobile number, that time you can do another thing, that is you can search them by your email address or the full name. So here from I'm just adding my full name, so here from I can search it. In the top of the list I can see Mohammad Sajid Yasin. This is my account. If you can see anything, that time you can move forward. So here from as I just say it, so here from I can see, let's assume it here my mobile number has just changed. In this case you can click on this try another way and click on the try another way from the pop-up, and here from you can see all the ways by which you can recover your this Facebook account. In this case they want to send you a PIN verification via WhatsApp, say they want to send a code verification via your that email address, or send a code via Facebook notification, or send a code via SMS or in your mobile phone, or enter your password to log in. In this case, if you can click it, you will get it. If you see it's not you, that time you can move forward. Otherwise you can move forward from here too, whatever. Here from you can search it something like this, Sajid Yasin or whatever the name it is. So here from you can see a lot of accounts from here, suppose like this, I'm not in this list, or here from you can do it. So here from you will see it on from which number you want to get it. These are the demo thing that I want to share with you, so that you can at least understand what's going on there. So here from this is the thing by which you can recover your Facebook account which has got compromised or hacked. So this is a little bit demo and you can try it by yourself. And in this case here you have to keep in mind that you have to set one primary and another temporary email address so that you can find it out here, so that no one can hack your Facebook account quickly, and after that hacking they can't change all the email address and the password quickly. So this is the thing by which you can follow and do it to recover your Facebook account. Otherwise it will not work well for your case. So guys, I hope after watching this video you will get a little bit exact idea how you can recover your Facebook account and you will secure your account. Now guys, it's your turn to check it out how is it works or not. Now guys, if you think that it works well, fine, that time I request you please give a like that video. Comment below on this video, share this video with your friends so that your friend also know about this and your friend also secure his account. Otherwise it will be very tough for you. So guys, that's all for today. We will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.